Hello, good morning. This is Gurung here at Beta2 Limited in London with today's morning market report. Date today is 19th of March 2015. Let me begin with equities. Asian shares were up overnight, touched a 6-year high. European stocks opened up this morning. It was mainly on back of an equity-friendly monetary policy statement from Federal Reserve yesterday evening. Now, prior to the meeting, the market were expecting Federal Reserve to have a bit more hawkish stance. They're also looking for some sort of indication from the Federal Reserve in regards to an interest rate hike in America. Now, the statement was in fact fairly dovish. Initially, they're expecting Federal Reserve to increase interest rate around mid this year, possibly June or September, or even as early as April. However, after the monetary policy statement, that changed dramatically. Currently, it looks like the interest rate hike in April is highly unlikely. There's only 11% probability that there will be a hike in June, 39% probability of one in September. In fact, the general consensus seems it will be towards December, which is a massive shift in the policy. Therefore, on back of that, with monetary easing continuing, it was good for equity markets and they were up overall. Now, what this means for currency market is we saw a massive sell-off in the dollar. Now, prior to the statement yesterday, dollar had been rallying against its major peers. It was up over 12% against the euro, up against the pound, Japanese yen, Swiss franc. However, after yesterday's statement, we saw dollar give away some of its profit. Dollar lost at one stage, it was down about 4.2% against the euro. It also lost ground against its major peers. Now, majority of the dollar sort of losses were down to stop loss orders getting winded down. So a lot of investors who have been buying the dollar, for example, against the euro, had stop loss orders in there at around sort of 1.08 level. So when that got sort of triggered, it pushed euro dollar higher. Now, moving on to other news out there. This morning we had a news in regards to Greece. At the moment, there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding Greece and its potential Brexit from the Eurozone. Now, the current situation with Greece is that it can't raise funds in the capital markets. It's actually relying on emergency assistance from ECB. Now, they requested around 900 million euros from the ECB. However, were only given around 400 million, which means that it may run out of funds by end of this month if it doesn't receive further funds from the ECB. Now, they're still currently dealing out the sort of terms and conditions in regards to further investment from the ECB, but until then we will see euro under heavy pressure. That'll be it for today. Thank you very much.